Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So I've got a couple of completions to show you. These were both sent to me by the good people at Diamondartdecor.com. I did do an unboxing on them not so long ago. So if you check Diamond Art Decor playlist up in that corner, you will get to see these unboxed and the full look at them. But I just thought you'd like to see the completion. I've fallen in love with this wooden decoration. It's just fabulous. The colours on this skull are amazing. And of course, it's got a hot pink on it. So, yay! It's always got to be a goodie. And yeah, the mummy is still making me laugh. I actually expected it to be like in a silvery crystally colour, but we've definitely gone a coffee colour on this one, like a very pale orangey browny colour. So yeah, I think we've possibly had lots of coffee tipped over us or something, or even beer. Oh, we've got this gorgeous sparkly pumpkin here, and the spider's webs have come out brilliantly. These do need sealing. It has been, since I actually completed it, it has been on my fireplace, just propped up against the wall at the back. So it does look really effective, and even hubby commented on it. He liked it as well. So goodness, it must be good. We've got a little worried looking pumpkin here, probably waiting to see where the spider's gone. And it's a very tiny little pumpkin down there. But yeah, this mummy is just making me laugh so much. And I didn't notice it before, but there is just a little teeny tiny skull peeking out there as well. So this is gorgeous. I love the colours. I've never seen a skull done in colours like that. And even the hat matches, the flowers on the hat match. It's brilliant. So we've got a witch's hat with a hot pink flower and a gold one, and then like an orangey, burnt orangey colour band around it as well. But yeah, look at that jadey green down here. Very pretty. And then we've another big spider's web here. And I'm thinking that this actually could be a drink, because I think that might be a straw, and that might be like a bat, you know, like you get umbrellas stuck in things. I'm thinking that might be like a bat on a stick stuck in, and this could be a lollipop, and this could be like a small pumpkin or something popped in there with all the different toppings drizzling all the way down. So yeah, rather than being a cauldron, I'm thinking that actually could be a drink with a straw, or it could be a cauldron with a straw. You never know. But that is just fabulous, and it's one that, yeah, I will definitely seal, and it will come out year after year. And yeah, that just makes me laugh so much. That's brilliant. I love it. And it's a wooden one, so it will be quite robust and hopefully Liz-proof. And then our fantastic haunted house. I have got a 40 by 40 frame that it will go in. I'm hoping it's black around the edges. I've got a horrible feeling the one that I've got spare is white, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of jiggling with my paintings so that I can get this one, because it needs to be in a black frame. It won't look white. It won't look right in a white frame. But yeah, it's come out superbly. So we've got like these hot pink flowers at the top. Definitely a Liz haunted house. But the way that they've done the colours, and like this grey black going, oh, we've got an extra one there. Let me just get rid of that one. There's always one, isn't there, that you've picked up and thought you've not picked one up, and then picked another one up, and then the original one appears somewhere. So we've got this gorgeous red colour coming down here with all the green, and then the browns and the golds and the greys. And these green dots here really do make it look quite sparkly and spooky. I did have it popped on the wall without anything cut off it or anything, because obviously I wanted to show you the completed item before I start framing it and whatever. But yeah, I'm really pleased with how this came out and all the colours. And again, hubby said, oh, quite like that one as well. I am going to cut my edges off. And if you saw it in a previous unboxing, I'm going to keep these edges, because they will make super edgings on smaller diamond paintings, unless you can piece them together. But yeah, I just thought they're quite decorative, and rather than using oh, I stuck to my elbow, it's grabbing hold of me, So rather than on your edges, if you've got lots of writing, rather than using your washi tape or painting or whatever, you could just stick this over. Obviously not this one, because I've not got enough to do with this one, but you could just pop it over the edge and you've got everything up to sort of there. So you've got a really good length. That's going to be over a 30 centimetres. So if you've got, say, a 30 by 30 painting that you want to cover over the edges, then you've got a nice decorative edge that can go all the way around. So yeah, keep your edges. Obviously you don't have to, but it's just to say my crafting brain does just pop out with these ideas from time to time. I can't throw away something that could be useful and could be decorative on something else. I mean, you could even use it on cards, you know, if you're card making. Quite a nice Christmassy edge, actually. Just a little bit of decoration. With it being like the silvery white and just like a subtle pattern on there. It would be quite nice as an interesting edge on a card. So yeah, I've got lots of things going through my mind at the moment. So let's take this edge off as well. Cut with the biggest pair of scissors you can. I do sometimes try using one of my guillotines, but I do find that it can fray the edges unless your guillotine is really, really sharp. And mine tends to get a little bit gunked up and I don't clean it as much as I should. Yeah, it's one of those jobs that you think I must clean that next time before I use it. I do sometimes use a little bit of glitter card if I've got some left over, because that can sharpen your blade a little bit like sandpaper. But yeah, it does need a little bit of a de-gunk, shall we say, as well. It's got bits of glue and tape that I've cut through. So yeah, so a good sharp pair of scissors is really good for the job, and try and keep your edges straight. And using washi tape on your edges or using edgings like this are really good. If you've not cut your edge very straight, you can cover it up with a nice sticker. You can cover it up with a nice straight piece of washi tape or something. And it hides a multitude of sins. Just me then. Right, I don't need that bit because I've got one already. So I only keep one. These bits go in my logbook, but I will have to write down on them what they are, which picture it is. Otherwise I get to the end and I think, which picture was that? And then I have to go through and watch my videos and see which one it was. Okay. I could always put this on mount board, to be fair, and then I wouldn't need to frame it. But I think I want this one in a frame. I've got my mind set on it that because it's got such a white background, I would like this in a black frame. I keep putting my elbow on it, look, and it keeps sticking to me. It's trying to grab me and draw me in. Okay, I have got a 40 by 40 frame. I would love a magnetic 40 by 40 frame. This one, I believe, just trying to think, did it come from the range possibly? And then I got this one from the range, which it's just going to overlap a little bit, but I don't want the grey edges. I do really want it to have a black edge. So yeah, this is actually one of the ones that's got more than one photograph. Always look at these, because sometimes it's cheaper to buy one of these than it is to buy a bigger frame. It is sort of a 35 by 35-ish. You don't have to put 4 photographs in. As I say, you could just use your picture in there. It's just, yeah, it's just a little bit too small. And as I say, it's not the right colour. So I won't be using that one. If I use this one, it's going to have a piece of backing black card on it as well. So that's not quite right either. Oh dear, we're not doing very well here. So that's my frames I've got at the moment. Don't know what to do now. I'll have to have a think about it. I will let you see it once I've got it put up on my Halloween decorations. Just thinking I could run a black line around it and then put it on mount board. It does need sort of framing rather than just being white like this and then going on the wall. I do feel it needs black, but not really as much black as that. I think that's sort of a really good border, or even that which would be sort of the size of a 40 by 40 magnetic frame if you can get them. So yep, I will have to have a think about this one and have a further look into it and see how we do. But yeah, I just thought you would like to see some completions. Apologies, I've realised that I've not put the post up for the Halloween event that I announced that would go on my Facebook page. So I will do that today, and I'll add the photographs of these into it. And then what I will do at the end of October, everybody that's added a photograph of something Halloween that they've done, doesn't have to be diamond painting. You can do, you know, knitting or anything else that you've done, even cards if you've made a card. And everybody that just puts at least one item, I'll just put all the names into a little tub, and hopefully our hubby will be out of hospital by then. So that he can draw out the winner, and I will send a little prize out to somebody, because I did promise I would do that, but things have just gone a little bit belly up from having the ambulance last week to hubby and then him going in hospital yesterday. Everything's just up in the air, it's crazy. But anyway, at least there's diamond painting, she says, hopefully. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you've spotted any 40 by 40 magnetic frames, let me know. Or ones that are a little bit smaller than this that don't have such a big border on them. I'm running out of time now as well. I need to get this up and on the wall. Okay, if you've enjoyed looking at these with me anyway, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Huge thank you, Diamond Art Decor, for sending me them. I really enjoyed doing them, and I have needed something just to relax and shut off this last week. So yay, thank you very much. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them in the comments down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see some more and see what we get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everybody, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.